The latest CPI report is out, and this could be great news for home buyers here in the Bay Area, as well as home sellers. Coming up on this Silicon Valley Snapshot. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Danny Gould. I'm the CEO of the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Over the last 8 years, I've sold over $200 million worth of real estate here in the San Francisco Bay Area and over 250 5-star Google reviews. Now, the Consumer Price Index reports are out for the month of April, and everything is looking very good for home buyers and actually for home sellers. And we're going to get into the charts and the data. Before we do that, before we get into all of that, if you're a home buyer in today's marketplace and you're looking for a comprehensive data set to assist you in your home buying decision making, you can text the word data plus the area or the zip code or the neighborhood that you're looking in, and we will get all that information sent straight to your inbox. And if you're a home seller, you're trying to figure out, is now the right time for me to sell my house? And if it is, what should I price my property for? All of that information will be answered when you text the word data plus your property address to the number down below. So if you look at this chart, you'll see that CPI, Consumer Price Index, has fallen from 5% to 4.9%. Now this might seem like, oh, what's the big deal? It came down 0.1%. What I'm paying attention to and what we should all be paying attention to are the year-over-year trends. And so as we head into May and as we head into June, we're going to see large decreases in CPI from the highs of last June, which was over 9%. To curb inflation, the Fed will artificially stymie the market by increasing rates. And so that's what happened in June of last year. The Fed reacted to the rising inflation rates and they put a damper on the market. Now, things are starting to ease off a little bit. And so this is good news for home buyers. If we continue to pay attention here, over the next few months, we could see rates, and there are many economists who are predicting rates to fall into the mid to low fives between now and the end of 2023. Now, this should be good news for home buyers, but with an asterisk. Yes, it's good news because the rates are going to come down. However, every time that rates come down, what happens is we reintroduce a new subset of buyers into the marketplace. And so we will see a reaction from the marketplace, a reaction on the demand side of things that will absolutely put pressure on prices. There are many buyers who are out there waiting for interest rates to fall. And when that happens, there will be a reactionary period. But if you're a buyer and you're ready to jump in at a moment's notice, then you could theoretically get the best of both worlds. Now, if you've been watching my previous snapshot videos, you will know the market has been very unforgiving as of late to home buyers in the Bay Area. Specifically in Santa Clara County, in the East Bay, Contra Costa and Alameda counties, we're seeing white hot markets right now. The culprit behind that is low inventory. Now, homeowners, and especially people who are thinking about selling their home, should be encouraged by this news of interest rates. This is only going to put more pressure on prices if and when rates finally drop. So what does all this mean for you as a home buyer? Well, if you're a home buyer, you can do one of two things with this information. You can decide that you want to get ahead of the mad rush and ahead of the lowering of interest rates over the next 6-ish months or so and get in now and then refinance later. It's a great strategy. Or you can decide to kind of like patiently wait and observe, and then when the moment's right, make your move. Also a fine strategy if that's what you choose to do. Also understanding that like timing the market usually results in catastrophe, but buyers have timed the market before and been very successful. As a seller, what this should do is encourage you that like there are brighter days ahead. As good as the market is right now, honestly, just seeing these reports should instill some confidence in sellers in terms of like the longevity and the vitality of the housing market here in the Bay Area. Do I think things are going to go crazy after rates lower? No, but there definitely will be more life breathed into the market, even more so than there is right now, which is already pretty good. I'm curious, what do you think the CPI report means in terms of interest rates and housing prices for the Bay Area? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. You could leave your comments down below. And listen, if you made it this far in the video and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up while you're at it. It costs you nothing, helps us get in front of more Bay Area home buyers and sellers just like you, and helps keep you notified every time we post a new video just like this one. This is Danny Gould, everyone. I'm selling Silicon Valley, and I will catch all of you in the next Silicon Valley Snapshot.